Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Outdoor Fridays, the day we highlight gear that makes camping, picnics, and adventures more enjoyable. Today we're checking out the Intex Explorer K2 Inflatable Kayak, a budget-friendly, portable kayak designed for two people. Let's go over the good and the bad, so you can decide if it's right for your next adventure. The good starts with easy transport and setup. At just over 10 feet long and weighing much less than hardshell kayaks, the Explorer K2 inflates in minutes with the included high-output pump and packs down into a convenient carrying bag. It also includes everything you need: two 86-inch aluminum paddles, two inflatable seats with backrests, grab handles, grab lines, and even a repair patch. That makes it a true all-in-one starter kit. Performance is another plus. With a streamlined design, I-beam floor, and removable skeg, it tracks surprisingly well for an inflatable kayak. The bright yellow color also makes it more visible on the water, which is a good safety feature. On the downside, while it's great for lakes and calm rivers, it's not built for rough waters or whitewater use. Being inflatable, it's more prone to punctures, and while the vinyl is rugged, it won't match the durability of a hardshell kayak. The seats are adjustable but may feel less supportive during long paddling sessions. And with a 400-pound weight capacity, it's best for two average-size adults or one adult with gear. So, is it worth it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly kayak that's portable, easy to set up, and fun for calm waters, the Intex Explorer K2 is a great choice. But if you're planning long trips, rough water, or heavy use, you'll want to invest in something sturdier. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.